Hi there, my name is Seva and I'm the founder of Klip Coupons. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to install our application on your Shopify store for adding clippable coupons to your product page just like this. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Klip Coupons app on your Shopify store in just 3 easy steps. To get started, head over to Klip Coupons dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see our onboarding flow here at the very top of the page with our 3-step process for getting the Klip Coupons app set up. To start, let's go ahead and click on step 1, which is enabling the app embed in your theme customizer. Go ahead and click on step 1 and it will automatically open the theme customizer window for your live theme on Shopify. Then you'll notice that the Klip app is going to be automatically enabled here. And the only thing we have to do is click the save button here in the top right-hand corner. Once this step is done, we can go ahead and move on to step 2, adding the app block to your product page. Go ahead and click on step 2 here. It'll automatically open up your theme customizer and go to your product page. And here we can decide where we want our coupon to show. Do we want it to show right beneath the title, for example? Do we want it to show where we recommend, which is above the add to cart and buy now button? To add the coupon here, we'll just go ahead and mouse over until we get the add block text. Go ahead and click add block, head over to apps and click on Klip Coupons. And now you can see the coupon preview here on the product page. We're able to adjust it by going over here and dragging it to our ideal position. So for example, let's say we want it above the add to cart and buy now button. Go ahead and drag it over. And there you can see the coupon preview. Go ahead and click save once you're happy with the position of the coupon. Now, if you have multiple product templates set up, you can go to default product here, products, and check here that you have multiple templates set up. Since if you have more than one template, you'll want to add the app block to the other templates as well. But for most default stores, you'll just have one product template. And now we can move on to the third and final step, which is creating our coupon. So go ahead and head back to the Klip dashboard and click on step 3. That'll bring you to the coupon creation screen. Here we can give our coupon a name. Let's say summer sale. We can choose what type of coupon we want to offer, whether it's a product discount, an order discount, or a discount on the shipping amount. In this case, we'll just do a product discount. We can set here whether we want it to discount a percentage, 20% off, for example, 15% off, or if we want a fixed amount off, like $100 off a product, for example. In this case, we'll just do a 20% discount. And then here we can select where the coupon will apply to, whether we have it apply to a specific product, variant, collection, tag, or to all products on the store. In this case, we'll just keep it simple and apply it to one product here. And go ahead and click add. We also have the option to set a schedule, so we can set when the start date is, when the coupon will be active on your Shopify store. And we can also set an end date for when the coupon will stop showing on the store. We'll just keep these options off for now, keep it simple. Move on to our next screen, which is eligibility and targeting. And here we can see and select who's able to view the coupon and how many times is the coupon able to be used. So we can select our customer eligibility here. We can also exclude certain customers from being able to see the coupon on your Shopify store. We then can set maximum discount uses. So how many times can a coupon be applied per order? How many times can a coupon be applied per product? And the total amount of coupon uses. For example, if you're running a limited sale, first 100 customers that redeem the coupon get the discount, you could set that here. We also have some minimum purchase requirements. So for example, if you wanted to offer a coupon only for orders that are over $100 or for a minimum amount of products. So let's say that you want your customer to order 3 products and then they get 10% off. So we can set all of that here as well. And the last thing that we have here is the UTM source targeting. So for example, if you're running a coupon offer specifically from Facebook and you only want your customers that are coming from your Facebook ad to see your coupon, you can set that up under our UTM source targeting. And we'll just disable these options for now to keep it simple. And the last step is our coupon design. So this is actually customizing how the coupon will look on your storefront. Now, Klip has one of the most advanced coupon design out there. So we can customize pretty much every single aspect of the Klip app, starting with the widget label. So for example, if we wanted to have some text like summer sale, don't miss out. We can adjust our font size here. We can adjust our widget background color. So for example, let's say that we wanted to do a little background here. We can also set the padding and the radius. So here we go. We also have the ability to set the stroke type around the coupon. And every single feature is customizable. We can adjust the badge here to show an icon or nothing. We can change the actual coupon text here. Something like that. And when the user clicks it, you can also see the preview for the clicked coupon as well. We can change the redeem action. So for example, if you want the coupon to be automatically applied when the user hits the product page, so they don't have to manually check it, we can set that setting here. And finally, we get to some of our more advanced Klip features. We have our countdown timer feature. So if you want to offer a coupon for an exclusive amount of time, you can set that here. And we can say, for example, 2 hours. So when someone lands on the website, the coupon will only be active for 2 hours. We can also have the coupon pick up the time from the scheduling feature. So for example, if you set the coupon to end in 3 days, you can click specific date range, and this will pick up your schedule end date. So the timer will match the end date of the coupon. And then we have a ton of options here for actually customizing the layout of the timer. So we can select different layouts here, different styles, adjust our fonts, adjust our background. Everything is extremely customizable within the Klip app. Whether we want to show colons between time units or not, we can change all those settings here. We also have our coupon details popover, which is an awesome feature if you want to show any additional terms and conditions that are related to a coupon. So we can enable that here, and you'll see a little link that shows at the end of the coupon. We can change what that says. We could say like, instead of terms and conditions, we can say like TNC, and then we can add our text. And we could say this offer is only valid for the first customers, for example. And then what would happen is when someone clicks on the TNC, the popover, they'll see this appear on their page, just like Amazon's coupons. That's the coupon details popover option. And finally, we have our collection page badge. So if you want to show a little preview of your coupon on your collection pages, and when the user clicks through, they can apply that coupon on the product page, you can set that up here. We'll go ahead and disable that for now. And once you have dialed in all of your settings, go ahead and click Save. Now your coupon is active and live on your store, and we can go ahead and view it by going over to our product here, the videographer snowboard. And here we go. Here's the coupon that's applied on the product page. And as we can see, when the coupon is checked and the product is added to cart, here's the discount that's applied. We can also see that discount is being applied here on the checkout page as well. And that's it. That's how you set up Klip coupons in just a couple of easy steps.